guys, this is your girl Sharnice, and today I'm doing some lock petals on my hair to give me a little bob slash afro kind of look. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is spray my hair with water. There's no rose water in there, so it's just water. And then I'm going to use my Hairapy by J growth oil, and I'm going to rub that into my scalp and onto my strands just so that my hair is easier to do. And I'm using some rubber bands. And so what I did with these, since my hair, as you can tell, is not like retwisted or anything, I'm like in between washes, just trying to style it some type of way. So what I'm doing is I'm twisting actually my hair at the base. So I'm 2-strand twisting my locks, and then I'm going ahead and rubber banding. I just think that this is better so that my hair doesn't get like kind of tangled at the base, and so that there's a stronger base for my rubber bands to be wrapped around. If you want lower tension on your roots, I would suggest you probably use those clear rubber bands that have low tension. But yeah, I'm just using these black ones because I find that it keeps the hair staying in very well. So yeah, I just did this all around my head. And once I get to the front of my head, you guys will see that I did have it lay in a certain and specific way. So enjoy, and I'll be back soon. All right, guys, so we're almost at the finish line. As you can see, the back looks really great, and now I'm on to tackling the front. So I do want it to be kind of like a side part. So what I'm doing with these locks here is I'm twisting them towards the front and on an angle. So you can see that I have two sections sectioned off. That section with the white scrunchie is actually the front of my head that I'm going to retwist to kind of make it look like my hair is freshly done, even though it's not. But the locks that are in the black scrunchie I'm just going to lay them so that they are laying to the front of my head as opposed to all back like the other petals that I've already done. All right, so we're almost at the finish line. I'm feeling my little bangs. But now I'm going to spray my hair with water and then use my Loc pomade from Peculiar Roots to go ahead and retwist the front 2 rows. Not really the front 2 rows, just what I had sectioned off in the front, to retwist my locks and make it look like my hair is freshly done. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just retwist and take 2 locks, 2-strand twist them a little bit and create the lock petal.
Visions of you and I. See you all around my way, bending in to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is
This is the finished look. I love it. I think I'm going to do lock petals more often. And I just went ahead and went in with some bobby pins to secure those ends that were not tucked in properly. And that gave me kind of a seamless look to my lock petals. But I love this style. It's perfect for going out. Outside is going to be opening soon, so hopefully we can go to brunch. This is really a look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys have a great day. Bye.